betyder. Check out. Yep.
What's your number, sir?
Oh, 460.
Awesome. You're
Alright.
good to go.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
See you around. 就到了这个 Agrodome 这里，要去买票，人应该蛮多的。这边买票。
So it's 120, thank you. So are you guys from Oakland somewhere?
Yeah.
Thank you very much, and I give you a sticker.
So the tour time is.
So you're gonna start 11 o'clock at the farm show, and then after that the tractor will be waiting outside at 12. Go to the farm tour. Thank you very much.
Thank you. 了解。
准备好了。真的。
他讲那个铁啊，你不记得？
爸爸好唔可怜。没有看过哎，怕吐口水。
羊都有那个羊。
Come to the right place. Show you how 19 different sheep breeds. This is Prince, the Mighty Merino. The left, here comes my mate. It's more like the Rompy. Let's do it. Up the corridor. Moving along to the borders of Scotland, it's Roman, the Borderlista. Keep going. Oi, what's going on here, Justin? What name you pick? Jimmy, the feisty. Give him a round of applause, he's a cheeky sheep. He comes all the way from Switzerland. You hear that bell? That's how we know we can find it. It's very good at playing hide and seek for the sheep. Coming up next, we're going a little bit of the and we see the wolf. He's been drinking. He comes all the way from South Africa. This is Grumpy, the Drysdale, here in New Zealand. It is very expensive. Also, brothers Samson and Ozzy. Come on now. And this little guy coming up now, it's Captain the South now. His name is Charlie Brown. Give Justine and the sheep around the block. reposition her. She's a lovely young. The amount of flawless on her sheet. Give Barbara an applause. Ready, Barbara? Come on. Here goes the girl. Thank you for coming. Lots of the boys. Thank you very much, young lady. This can go for round 2 to $3 a kilo. Now I'm going to pass some of that. I want you to feel the natural flower in the loop.
为什么要吸？好恶心啊！
First pass of the bag, maybe something. Right at the back, get some.
Fresh
香哦！
送你啊，
带回家。
钱哦这个。
She's big, she's brown, out Jersey cow, and her name is Amy. So I need some milk. We're gonna hand milk this girl today. We have 2 buckets. What comes out of the teeth? Milk, you say milk. Come on up. Oh, get kids on the next one. Bucket number 1 goes over here. What we do? Have any of you milked a cow before? Vishnu here. You give her a pat. Top of the teeth, squeeze, and pull down like that. Okay? So come this way. Take a knee. Okay, hip off. I see they listed the chocolate at $1.50 cake. Keep it up, sir. Top of the teeth, squeeze and pull down. Now this is a very special cow. Many different flavors, okay? And chocolate, banana, strawberry, vanilla. Which flavor would you like? Vanilla, very smart. Okay, take a knee. And then put back onto your heel. Top of the teeth and squeeze and pull down. There you go. And again. Yep, and one more for good one. There you go. Give her a round of applause. Listen to the top. There you go. Thank you very much. Breath there. Top of the teeth, squeeze. You kids look nice and thirsty. Do you guys like milk? So kids, this is the New Zealand drinking race. Do you kids like milk? Yes, what you do, I count to 3. When I get to 1, start drinking as fast as you can. Don't worry, I'm just kidding. We're gonna feed our baby lambs, and here they come. They're getting quite big. Hold your bums down. Great kids, great teamwork. Oh, we got a winner down there. Well done. Big one, very still. Oh, he's taking on that. This breed was developed over 130 years ago. You've already spoiled the surprise test. Hold it. Test. Hold it. Test. Hold it. Test. Hold it. See. Where's the